And this is where all the astrological studies were done and where they made the Mayan calendar. And this is also where they predicted the end of the world. The sacrifice platform. That's why you can see all those skulls. So in the game you can only use head, hips, knees and elbows. And you're supposed to get the ball inside of that hole. And the ball represents the sun and the hole represents the earth. So they thought it was very magical. So this is all players, and there's 7 on this side and 7 on the other side. And here you can see he has a knife because he had just sacrificed the head of one of the players from the losing team. So the game was all about the ritual for the gods. And it was the 5 last day every month. They had this big game here and they practice almost every day at another area. You can see up there is the hole where they put in the ball. And up there in the towel were the government that was sitting and looking at the players.
The hips, the forearms and the buttocks. The warriors tried to pass the ball through the hole at a height of almost 3 meters and so obtained a score in the match. This game is an ancient heritage of our Mayan ancestors who have reborn again among us. Many the city invites you to travel, relive the past, and enjoy this Mayan ritual game, Pok the Pok. The players wish you the best night and invite you to learn about this beautiful tradition.
Kalanto to osberki, kukuchilo, kulu